Giant touchscreens can cost up to tens of thousands of dollars, be difficult to move, and are often hard to install. TouchJet engineers looked for a different solution. Introducing Wave Plus Lily. The new Wave Plus Lily brings precision of pen touch to the giant tablet on your TV up to 65 inches. The easy-to-install and configure Wave Plus Lily sits on top of your favorite flat-screen TV monitor from 20 to 65 inches and turns it into a giant precision Android touchscreen using Pen Touch. Download your favorite apps from the Android store, install them right on your Wave Plus Lily on your TV. Use the best of the best business and presentation tools. Every step of the way, the Wave Plus Lily with Pen Touch lets you be truly collaborative. Comes complete with 2 rechargeable Lily digital pens for 4 points Pen Touch. The Lily digital pen is specially designed to allow for easy setup and calibration and create a truly precision touch environment on any television. Plus, each one comes with our award-winning TouchJet Present software that lets you collaboratively present across any platform. Computers, tablets, smartphones, and more. And Present makes sure everyone's in the loop, from connecting each person in the meeting to recording all the content so it can be reviewed later. Use your smartphone through our exclusive TouchJet mobile app to remotely control the screen from anywhere. And it can control multiple TouchJet devices in Air Mouse mode or as a touchpad. The next generation TouchJet Wave Plus Lily with Pen Touch lets you work together in ways that weren't possible before. And not for thousands of dollars, but for a fraction of the cost, with a suite of software that can bring real collaboration, real integration, right to your fingertips. From living room to classroom to conference room. TouchJet.